Murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa mai wa mwena uyu Stanley Kuyoni nyorite andu kuhuthira mai wega o undu umwe na kumoria makorwo na indo njiganu cia kuiga mai.
When you compare the supply, which is actually constant, it is not even at optimal, then you link with the town's demand, which is at 7,000 or 8,000, then it is at that particular time realize there is a very big demand.
Kuringana na Kuyoni, makoretwo magithimira andu mai no akaiga makoretwo makihe honge cia thirikari mai na utuko kuhe aikari a matura mai.
During the day, water is supplied to the CBD, the commercial areas are supplied with water, and government institutions, including the university. During the night or in the evenings, up to morning, depending on which specific estate they're channeling water to, then they supply to the other estates.
Aikari ni maikitie mateta amu makoretwo magomirwo ni mathina ngurani muno makiria atumia mwena uyu aria makoretwo mategwithamba undu uria utumite ingi gutigwo ni athuri ao.
Shida ya Narok imezidi, maji, vumbi, upepo, hatuna Narok. Ukisikia mtu ananuka si kupenda kwake. Shida ya maji imezidi, tumepanga huko juu imeisha, tena hapa chini ndio inakuja kama mate.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.